Hi friends, it's Miss Sarah. Today we are going to do a hungry caterpillar craft and then we're going to read the book. So it doesn't really require too much instructions. This is mine. Your kit is going to come with a few different pom-poms and some googly eyes along with a template for a leaf. I put some hole punchers in there to look like he nibbled on them, and then right here I put a nice little chunk missing out of his leaf. So this is a great way to learn your different colors. You can put them in any order that you would like. So let's read The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. This was one of my favorites as a kid. Okay. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. You see? One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He's definitely tiny. Let's find out if he's very hungry. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. Oh, he went all the way through the apple. So on Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. 1, 2. But he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. 1, 2, 3. But he was still hungry. There he is. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red strawberries. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 oranges. So on Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, and 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. Did we see that? Oh, our little caterpillar doesn't look happy anymore. So hopefully he's not hungry anymore. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf. And after that, he felt much better. So, see his little holes? Just like ours. Now he wasn't hungry anymore. And he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and what happens when a caterpillar comes out of a cocoon? He was a beautiful butterfly. That's it, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed our story of The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And if you would like, you can check this out. We have a couple copies along with a board book version. And if you pick up your kit, make sure you come in and show me how your little caterpillar came out. Bye, friends.